Welcome back to The Write-Off, where I break down the business of being an indie author. If you're new here, hit subscribe so you don't miss any tips on writing, publishing, and building your indie author business. Now, have you ever dreamed of holding your own published book in your hands? The good news, you don't need a big publishing house to make it happen. Amazon KDP has made it possible for indie authors to get their books out into the world fast, free, and with global reach. Today, I'm going to walk you through step-by-step how to publish or self-publish your book on Amazon KDP so you can finally hit publish. I want to read your book. Before you even log in to Amazon, you need your manuscript ready to go. Make sure it's been professionally edited. Trust me, readers will notice. And I'm a little bit embarrassed to tell you that I know that by experience. Go ahead and format your book properly. You can use a free tool like Kindle Create or Readsy, or you can use software like Vellum or Atticus. And then save 2 versions. Don't forget, the EPUB and the PDF are completely different files. You need a .epub for your ebook, and you need a PDF version for your print. Now here's a pro tip. Always check your page breaks, chapter headings, and make sure it looks clean on both the desktop and the mobile versions. Now head on over to kdp.amazon.com and sign in with your Amazon account. If it's your first time, you'll need to add in your tax information, your banking details for your royalty payments, and you'll need to create your author name or your pen name. This sets up the foundation so you can start uploading your books and actually get paid as an author. Now, let's walk through the dashboard. When you create a new title, KDP will ask for book title and subtitle. Make it keyword friendly and compelling. It'll also ask for your author name. This can be your legal name or a pen name. Personally, I write under a pen name, but that's up to you. Now you're going to have to add your book description. This is your sales pitch. It's the details section that you see on any book website. It's the synopsis, so go ahead and put that here. Now keep it reader focused. Hook them in the first sentence. Now, keywords and categories. Choose categories where your book can actually rank and keywords readers are going to be searching for. And lastly, go ahead and select your age range and audience. If it's a children's or YA book, you'll need to specify that. Now this is the fun part. Upload your formatted file. KDP will run it through a checker to flag for any issues. Then upload your cover. You can design one in Canva or hire a pro designer. Now here is a tip. Don't cheap out here. Your cover is your #1 marketing tool. And as a reader myself, I am such a schmore for a good cover. Okay, we love it. We eat it up. A cover is everything. They say don't judge a book by its cover, but I do. And a lot of other people do too. Now, if you're doing a paperback, you'll need a full wrap with spine and back cover. Now, the KDP has a built-in previewer, so you can flip through your book as readers will to see it. You can check fonts, spacing, and make sure nothing is broken. For print, always order a proof copy. Holding it in your hands will show you things the screen just won't, like whether the spine text is centered or if the paper feels right. Now, next up, let's talk money. For ebooks, you can choose between 35% or 70% royalty options, depending on price and territory. The sweet spot for 70% is usually $2.99 to $9.99. For paperbacks, KDP prints on demand. You set your price, KDP subtracts printing costs, and you keep the rest. For example, a $12.99 paperback might earn you around $4 per copy. Now here's a pro tip. Look at similar books in your genre. Don't price too high if you're unknown, but don't undervalue yourself either. Once everything looks good, you can hit that magic publish button. Amazon will review your book, usually within 72 hours. And after that, your ebook and or paperback will be live on Amazon marketplaces around the world. You can also opt in for expanded distribution, which makes your paperback available to libraries and bookstores through Ingram. Now, publishing is just step one. Marketing is where the real work begins. You need to build your email list, gather ARC readers for reviews, and consider Amazon ads to boost visibility. Remember, the KDP gives you the platform, but it's up to you to bring readers to your book. And honestly, that's how you self-publish a book on Amazon KDP. If you found this helpful, give this video a like, subscribe, and drop a comment telling me where you are in your publishing journey. Next week, I'll be covering the pros and cons of using ARC readers as an indie author. So stick around for that. And until then, happy publishing.